Hey everybody, Chad at Turner's Warehouse, and I'm doing a little public service announcement here. Father's Day is coming up, June 16th, 2024, and don't make that mistake of getting your dad a bottle of Old Spice or some terrible cliche father's gift. Make your dad something cool like this, a pizza cutter. Every dad loves pizza. It's a scientific fact. And making him an awesome pizza cutter is the way to go. Look at this beauty. It's got a 4-inch blade. It's all stainless steel. You can pair it up with any handle material you want because that's the beauty of making it yourself. And you can make this perfect for dad. Now, on the rare occasion that dad doesn't want pizza, maybe he wants some ice cream. So you could make him a beautiful ice cream scoop. Again, it's all stainless steel hardware. And then you make the blank. It could be wood or resin. Most kitchen gadgets, I tend to do resin so that they don't have problems with the wood. But the stainless steel ice cream scoop is perfect for dad. Now, after he's done all that pizza cooking all day, he wants to kick back and have a beer. He's going to need a bottle opener. So you can get him a bottle opener. These bottle opener hardware kits come in multiple colors. I think we have 4 or 5 different colors. They're really inexpensive, but they're great for using cool woods, resins, or any other material you've got. So, people, please don't get the Old Spice. Make something cool for dad and be a hero on Father's Day.